are you doing with all those Goo Goo Gaga letters? Huh? It's time to transform. ZZ Kid construction worker on the way. Goo Goo Gaga, what's wrong?
I built a house, then I sneezed, then I accidentally blew down the house. What's I supposed to do now?
No worries, I will fix it. Hey Goo Goo friends, what should I use to build back the house? Should I use a picture, a book, or tools? I should use my tools. Thank you, Goo Goo friends.